we are in a shrink configuration 80 points wide. Yeah, you'll see, I think even before Thursday, I was less than 100 points wide between my long strikes. So here I'm 1160, 1140. So I think there was an adjustment on, we did a roll-up, not last week, but the week before that. And when I showed that roll-up, we went from 100 points between the long strikes to 80 points between the long strikes. The reality is, at some point, there's no benefit to going any wider with your lower wing, right? So if I was to roll this position up, for example, say I wanted to roll it up, 10 points. In that process, there's no point in me buying my long strikes at 1040 over 1050 because there's only 20 cents of time value difference here. Realistically, if I roll this 10, I might just want to take 20. And, if I'm under $1 in time value, I'm generally not concerned with buying that. In other words, it's not usually worth the risk that you have to the downside to go with the wider wing once your time value stops dropping off. Of course, this would be an extreme.